Subaru's boxer engines are prone to oil leaks due to their design, which puts unique stress on internal components. Common causes include worn piston rings and cylinder walls, leading to oil bypassing into the combustion chamber. Faulty valve stem seals allow oil to drip into the intake manifold. Other culprits include degraded head gaskets and rear main seals, often due to overheating and crankshaft wear. A clogged PCV system can cause pressure buildup, forcing oil out through gaskets. Using correct synthetic oil, like 0B20, and regular maintenance are crucial for prevention. Aluminum blocks and heads can warp if overheated, accelerating leaks. To diagnose oil leaks, first prepare the vehicle by parking it on a level surface and allowing the engine to cool. Perform a visual inspection, checking for oil spots under the engine and on components like the oil pan, valve covers, and timing cover. Check the oil level. If it's low without visible leaks, suspect internal consumption. A pressure test using a smoke machine or dye can help locate escaping vapor or dye. Remove valve covers to inspect seals and check the timing chain tensioner for wear. Use an OBD2 scanner for codes and consider a compression test. If unsure, consult a Subaru dealer, documenting your findings for warranty claims.